Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy MKBHD, and today we're diving into the world of IDEs. IDEs, or Integrated Development Environments, are like the ultimate Swiss Army knives for software developers. Think of it like this: you wouldn't edit a video on your phone, right? You'd use a powerful editing software with all the tools you need. That's what an IDE is for coding. Instead of juggling multiple tools for writing, compiling, and debugging code, an IDE brings everything together in one convenient place. This streamlined workflow boosts productivity and makes life easier for developers, especially in complex fields like robotics programming. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting out, understanding IDEs is crucial in today's tech landscape. Let's break down why IDEs are so essential and how they can revolutionize your coding game. From intelligent code suggestions to powerful debugging tools, IDEs are packed with features that simplify the development process. Stay tuned as we explore the core components and benefits of using an IDE for your next project. Alright, so we know IDEs are like the superhero headquarters for coding, but what exactly makes them tick? Let's break down the core components that make IDEs so powerful. First up, we have the source code editor. This is where the magic happens, where you write and edit your code. Think of it like your digital notepad, but way more sophisticated. IDE editors offer syntax highlighting, auto-indentation, and code formatting, making your code clean, readable, and error-free. Next, we have the compiler. This tool translates your human-readable code into machine-executable instructions. It's like the interpreter between you and the computer, ensuring your commands are understood and executed correctly. No superhero team is complete without a debugger, and IDEs have got you covered there too. The debugger is your trusty sidekick for finding and fixing errors in your code. It lets you step through your code line by line, inspect variables, and pinpoint the source of bugs. And finally, we have build automation tools. These tools automate repetitive tasks like compiling, testing, and packaging your software, saving you time and effort. They're like the behind-the-scenes crew that keeps everything running smoothly. Now, let's talk about one of the coolest features of IDE's intelligent code completion. Imagine having a coding buddy who could predict what you're trying to type and offer suggestions. That's precisely what intelligent code completion does. As you write code, the IDE analyzes your syntax and context, offering relevant suggestions for completing your lines. This not only speeds up the coding process, but also helps you avoid typos and syntax errors. It's like having a superpower that eliminates those annoying little mistakes. But it gets even better. Advanced IDEs can even suggest entire code blocks, functions, and class methods based on your current project and libraries. This means you can write complex code faster and with less effort. It's like having a cheat sheet, but it's totally legit. Intelligent code completion is a game changer for developers of all skill levels. It helps beginners learn faster and allows experienced coders to focus on the bigger picture. Plus, it makes coding way more enjoyable when you're not constantly battling typos. Alright, so you've written some killer code, but now it's time to make sure it actually works. That's where debugging and testing come in, and IDEs offer powerful tools to make this process smoother. Remember the debugger we talked about earlier? It's your secret weapon for finding and squashing bugs. With an IDE's debugger, you can set breakpoints in your code, which are like pause buttons that let you inspect the state of your program at specific points. Once you've paused execution, you can step through your code line by line, watching how variables change and identifying the source of errors. It's like being a detective, carefully examining the evidence to solve the mystery of the bug. IDEs also often integrate with testing frameworks, allowing you to write and run automated tests for your code. These tests act like quality assurance checks, ensuring that your code behaves as expected under different conditions. By automating the testing process, you can catch errors early on and maintain the integrity of your code base. Version control integration. Let's face it, we've all been there, making changes to our code only to realize we need to revert back to a previous version. That's where version control comes in. And IDEs make it incredibly easy to manage your code history. Most modern IDEs seamlessly integrate with popular version control systems like Git. This means you can perform common Git operations like committing changes, branching, and merging directly from your IDE's interface. This tight integration streamlines the development workflow, allowing you to track changes, collaborate with others, and revert to previous versions without ever leaving your coding environment. It's like having a time machine for your code, ensuring you never lose track of your progress. Version control integration is especially crucial for teams working on large projects. It provides a centralized repository for code, prevents conflicts, and keeps everyone on the same page. Plus, it makes it easy to track who made what changes and when, ensuring accountability and transparency. Build automation tools. Building and deploying software involves a series of steps from compiling code to packaging it for distribution. These tasks can be repetitive and time-consuming, but thankfully IDEs come equipped with build automation tools to streamline the process. Build automation tools let you define build scripts that automate these repetitive tasks. These scripts act like recipes, specifying the steps needed to build, test, and package your software. Once you've defined your build script, the IDE can execute it with a single click, saving you valuable time and effort. This automation not only speeds up the development process, but also reduces the risk of human error. By automating these tasks, you can ensure consistency and reliability in your builds, freeing you up to focus on more important aspects of development. Moreover, build automation tools often integrate with other IDE features, such as version control and testing frameworks. This allows you to create a seamless workflow where code changes automatically trigger builds, tests, and deployments. One of the most powerful aspects of IDEs is their extensibility. IDEs are like modular systems that you can customize and enhance with plugins to suit your specific needs. Think of plugins like apps for your IDE. They add new functionalities, integrate with external tools, and tailor the IDE to your preferred workflow. Need support for a specific programming language? There's probably a plugin for that. Want to connect your IDE to a cloud platform? There's a plugin for that too. The possibilities are virtually endless. From code linters that enforce coding standards to project management tools that keep your projects organized, plugins empower you to create the ultimate coding environment. This extensibility is a testament to the vibrant developer community surrounding IDEs. Developers constantly create and share new plugins, fostering a collaborative ecosystem that benefits everyone. In today's interconnected world, software development often involves working across multiple operating systems. Fortunately, many modern IDEs offer cross-platform support, allowing you to work seamlessly on Windows, macOS, or Linux. This means you can write, compile, and debug your code on your preferred platform without worrying about compatibility issues. It's like having a universal translator for your code, ensuring it runs smoothly on any system. Cross-platform support is especially crucial for robotics programming, where you might be developing code that needs to run on embedded systems with different architectures. An IDE with cross-platform capabilities allows you to target multiple platforms from a single code base, simplifying development and deployment. This flexibility and portability make IDEs invaluable tools for developers working on diverse projects. Whether you're building a web app, a mobile game, or a complex robotics system, an IDE with cross-platform support has got you covered. Now let's bring it all together and see how IDEs play a crucial role in robotics programming. Imagine building a robot that can navigate a maze, identify objects, or even perform surgery. These complex tasks require sophisticated software, and IDEs provide the tools to make it happen. First off, IDEs offer specialized libraries and frameworks for robotics development. These libraries provide pre-built functions and classes for controlling motors, sensors, and other hardware components, saving you from reinventing the wheel. The debugging capabilities of IDEs are even more critical in robotics. Imagine deploying code to your robot only to have it behave erratically. With an IDE's debugger, you can step through your code, identify the source of the problem, and fix it without risking damage to your hardware. Moreover, IDEs often integrate with simulators, allowing you to test your robotics code in a virtual environment before deploying it to the real world. This is crucial for ensuring that your robot's movements are accurate and safe, preventing costly mistakes and potential damage. As you can see, IDEs are indispensable tools for modern software and robotics development. They streamline the development process, enhance productivity, and empower developers to create sophisticated applications with ease. From intelligent code completion and powerful debugging tools to version control integration and build automation, IDEs offer a comprehensive suite of features that simplify every stage of the development lifecycle. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, embracing IDEs is essential for staying ahead in today's rapidly evolving tech landscape. The right IDE can be your secret weapon, allowing you to bring your ideas to life faster and more efficiently than ever before. So there you have it. IDEs are the ultimate companions for developers, providing the tools and support needed to conquer the world of software and robotics. Embrace the power of IDEs and watch your coding skills soar to new heights. Peace out.